best way for adults to make the most of Halloween is, of course, pairing all the candy with the perfect cocktail.
And here with 3 recipes that are sure to impress is mixologist Chantal Gabino. Great to see you again.
Thanks for having me.
Happy Halloween.
You know, Halloween isn't just for the kids, it's for the adults too. How are we gonna show off our costumes otherwise? Over here, I have a really simple recipe. If you like a Negroni, this is just a little twist on it. Equal parts, a little bit of Italian bitter, some sweet vermouth, and some sparkling wine.
And you're saying this is something that's very good to pair with sweet gummies.
Yeah, nice little gummy candies. This cocktail is actually really nice and dry, which will help with the sweetness of any of those gummy candies as well. And one of the fun things about Halloween is being able to add some pizzazz with some garnish. I just cut a little bit of a grapefruit and then made some bangs.
Smart.
And even just some of those gummy candies, letting them hang off the side here. And that blood red color is just fantastic.
Oh my gosh.
We gotta try this.
I gotta try
For sure.
Yeah.
We can go on to the next cocktail right over here.
Okay, well, let's take cheers. Here we go.
Okay.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Here we go.
We'll jump in over here. A hot cocktail because it is
nice
getting a
dry.
little bit colder outside. I took some hot apple cider, just heated it up, and threw in a little bit of some aged rum, some bitters for some spice notes, and we also have some nutmeg and cinnamon. But the best thing that's different is we're gonna add a little bit of richness.
You're putting butter in this drink.
We're putting butter in it.
God love you.
Hot buttered rum is normally what we do at a cocktail bar, but adding a little bit of apple cider is a really great way to jazz it up.
I'll melt
and
this.
can there's some grating we have to do, right?
Yeah, some nutmeg, giving some spice notes, some nightiness.
Is this what I'm grating?
That is what you're grating.
Okay.
This is a perfect pairing for chocolate. You know, the richness of the chocolate with the fruit of the apples is really fantastic and spicy.
You okay there?
As a superhero, you think I'd have better muscles to do this? It's a little hard.
Let me just jazz it up a little bit with some fun stuff from the dollar store.
Okay, so
little fats.
I'm gonna try
Did
this.
you put butter in mine?
No, there's no butter in yours yet.
Dump that butter in. I'm gonna take this one.
Okay, there you go.
Okay.
There you go. Give it a nice little stir.
Oh, this would be so good. Trick-or-treating with the kids.
It's also a great way to add something non-alcoholic to the family menu as well. Put a nice little thermos out and have something warm for trick-or-treating.
Yeah, you just leave out the rum for the kiddos, hey?
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's really good. All right.
Really good.
My nickname in college was El Diablo. I don't know if you know that.
Really?
I don't know why.
And you've got a drink called El Diablo.
Yeah, this is one of my favorite tequila cocktails available. It is a classic, an El Diablo, suitable for Halloween and for El Dia de los Muertos, which just follows right after, the Day of the Dead. Really simple cocktail involving some tequila. I like to add a little bit of mezcal sometimes for some smokiness, which is really nice.
What's mezcal?
Mezcal is also an agave distillate. It just uses different styles of agave plant. This is a Blue Weber agave, but this is also, different styles, different smokiness, different flavor profiles. I have some cassis, which is a really beautiful cassis liqueur that has a nice, rich color.
Yeah.
Just sort of some color pop. And a little bit of sweetener and some agave right there. So we're gonna add some ginger beer for some spice.
Yes.
But if you want extra spice, just cutting a chili up.
Oh boy.
And for some fun garnish, I just took a lime wheel and poked some flowers through it. Can even poke some
You gotta
lime.
really like your friends to decorate their glasses like this.
Well, you know what? You gotta
I don't know if I like my friends enough to give them that much attention.
Getting creative
thank you.
with cocktail options is how we stay young. You gotta have fun at home too, you know?
This is great.
And
we can just plop this up on top.
So good.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Cheers, you guys.
Cheers, happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
I love this.
And you can find all these recipes on yourmorning.ca.
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
That's good.
It is delicious.
I can see the spice.
Well, this has been a lot of fun getting into characters, our favorite superheroes and villains.
Oh, yeah. Before we say goodbye, why don't we strike a pose one more time?
Okay.
Hey, Marie, can I just say that you're hella fine?
Yes,
though?
you may. Only because it's Halloween.
God, Brandon, I swear.
Happy Halloween, Canada.
Happy Halloween, everybody. See,
Love you for watching. Love you, Wakanda.
Thank you.
This is good. Get a cape. Use your cape.
This cape is great. It's in the hair.
Yeah, see, there's a debate as to who would win in the fight, Captain Marvel or Superman.
Oh, clearly Captain.
Well, they're both on the side of good, so...
Oh, that's true.
I don't know who...